Afternoon guys, Anil here. Today we're talking about Julian, who's one of our past hair transplant patients. So Julian was a buff 35-year-old man from England, a fellow countryman. He's been in Canada for about 5 years. He got married 3 years ago. He has a small child, and he simply came in because he wanted to do something for himself. He found that he was losing hair from the top of his scalp, and also the angles here had climbed higher, and he felt that his forehead was looking a lot larger than he wished it to be. So a very straightforward surgery. We transplanted approximately 1,700 grafts. And then this is at the 7-month mark, and as you can see, he's got quite a nice hairline. It's more full, and also his forehead looks smaller. And then we also transplanted his crown area as well. As you can see, it's looking quite sparse here, and here we've really densified it. It could really do with a few more grafts, and perhaps at the 3 to 5 year mark, he may wish for another regrafting procedure. But the great thing about these grafts that we've implanted, they're not going to fall out because these come from the donor area, and these hair are not sensitive to DHT, and DHT is what causes the hair loss in the first place. So it was very nice actually. Julian sent us a photo a year after his treatment of his family and his little child in the park. And I just want to say, still looking really good, Julian. Looking buff, keep up the gym, and the hair's looking fantastic.